What's up, y'all? Welcome back to S&E's Fishing. This time we're going to do some bass fishing up in Lake Rabun. So hopefully we can catch some. It's 12. It's right at noon right now, so we're here a little late, but it's all right. I think we can get on some. I'm confident. So let's get out here and hopefully get some tight lines. This is going to make something happen, I hope. He doesn't want anything but the, okay. Hold up. I go on panic mode on this one circle. Let's see if he'll like this. It's a little, oh crap, he's right there now. He went right there. He's right there near it. He's on it. Ooh, I got his attention. For a second, I got his attention. No! No! I didn't set the drag! No, I didn't set the drag on that sucker. Oh well. See something right there. Yep. Got him. I thought I saw one right there. I said it. I said I saw one. I did. Even in this mucky water, I got good eyesight. About all you want, buddy, but you're mine. Oh, thank you. Finally got a trout on. A bass. Yo, I trout fish way too much. I really do. It's in them. There we go. Nice, probably about 2 pounds. I had to say, maybe 2 pounds. Do a new one. You're already messing up. Alright, there we go. Oh. The heck? Almost 2 pounds. 1.67. Not bad. We're gonna get a release on this thing. And he's going. Yeah, I'm on a raised crawl, but as you can see, I had to bite the tail off because I missed a few and it ripped it. So I did would bite that section off. Re-added this section with that. Well, I'm gonna have to do something now. It's ripped. I don't think I can use the next section. Maybe. Alright. Battle section off. Oh, dang it. I put the thing in whatever. You rip, you put just a tiny bit, not too much. Just a tiny bit. Shoot it up, pat that little hook point, and then you stick this piece in, like so. And he already bit the never mind. The flap's going too. But y'all get how to do it. Ooh, hit it. That was a trout. I mean, that's fish. Got him. Oh, that's a pickerel. You can get off now. Oh. You can get off. Yeah, you can get off. You wanna lie down? Come on. Oh, man. I'm not messing up my stuff for you. You can just wait. I get the hold of this, and then I can let you go. You don't want bit. Oh, okay. Goodbye. Random. This is a random chair right there. That is so random. Oh, dang it. Playing with my emotions, man. I got one now. I say, he's putting up a heck of a fight. Loosen up, not tighten up. Ooh. I lost him. I lost the big one again. All because I was messing with this. Why did my drag not set good? Are you fucking kidding me? I just lost the Hughes one again. Now I just ruined my second line even more. Oh, you freaking kidding me. I lost the freaking good size one. Messed with this because it was pulling my line so much, and then I this up. Are you kidding me? I had bad luck yesterday. I didn't need the crap today. I'm getting pissed. I can't believe I forgot how to tighten up or loosen up the freaking drag on this thing. And that bit me in my ass. And I went the right way too. I loosened it up way too much. Forgot to set the hook after I just lost that one. I got another one. Nowhere near as big. I lost the big one. This is probably the one it's spawning with. I just got. It's like, that thing's like 4 times bigger than this one. Alright, you can stop and I can let you go. And that one ain't gonna bite again either. I got that one, I had that one pegged. Anyways, another one. That one was like this long compared to that one. And I lost them. Got him. You ain't getting off me this time. Yep, and it's a bass. Hey. You got hooks, bro. That's an easy takeoff. You took most of them off yourself. Come on, give me. Hello. Let him go. Got one. I got you. You're mine, buddy. Nope. Up your end. Hey. Need you to chill. Got his little ass. Alright. Say goodbye. Look at the tail. The crazy control. You almost lost your eye before. You gotta be careful with that, buddy. Alright. Got him. That was not bad. That's not bad at all. It ain't no big one, but it's not that bad. Not bad. I knew that was coming, that's why I got my hands off of it. Nope. I get my finger. Got my hand on you. I'm good. We're not trading hooks. Not good for me. I'm good. Oh, you really got that in there. That's fine. I'll get that off in a minute. Get this off your skin. There you go. Not a half bad one. Let this one go. Nice. Alright, that's it for the day. Caught a few bass, around the 2-pound areas. The two biggest ones I lost, which both my mistake. One didn't set the drag. The other one was I was loosening the drag, loosening it up too much. So always make sure you set your drag good. One story. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. The only thing I used today was this big one. Almost caught that it's a 6-cent glide swim bait, I think it's called. Then jerk bait right here. Caught most of mine. And a good old raised crawl. Those are what caught my fish today. Or almost caught my fish for the swim bait. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I enjoyed the day. It was a lovely day out. Would have really enjoyed it if I would have caught them fish, them two. I think they were still on bed. Cause I saw them in the shallow water. A lot of big ones. Spooked a bunch of them. Cause they're kind of water's mucky, so that was kind of hard to see. But either way, we got some in the boat, so no complaints out of me. Let's see you on the next one.